These pigeons over here is exactly what we're trying to prevent today by installing our bird spike along the edge of the building behind me. You can see how all these pigeons like to hang out and loaf right here on this ledge. Well, what's right below us is the food court patio. Not a good spot to have pigeons hanging out above. You can imagine what drops below. So we're gonna be running the entire edge of the building with the spike so that we stop this from happening right here.
Getting the area clean and ready for spike is key to a good bird spike install. Stamping all this old bird droppings up.